Module 14, Your Financial Management System and the Playbook. The course ends with a system, not a pile of advice. Your financial management system can be a well-designed workbook, approved accounting software, or a combination of both. What matters is that it gives the team one reliable view of authority, budget, claims, cash, evidence, and risk. Start with a minimum viable workbook or system. The first tab is the Contract and Budget Control Sheet. Contract value, payment components, ceilings, approved changes, actuals, commitments, forecast to complete, and remaining authority. The second is the level of effort tracker for time-based work. Each role, contracted days, approved changes, actual days, planned days, and forecast balance. The third is the expense and claim log, cost date, category, purpose, approval reference, amount, currency, evidence status, invoice reference, and payment status. The fourth is the activity ledger. Approval, budget, procurement status, event evidence, expenditure, reconciliation, and closeout status for every workshop or activity. The fifth is the invoice tracker, payment condition, amount, deductions, submission, queries, certification, expected payment date, actual payment, and next action. The sixth is the rolling cash forecast. The seventh is the risk and issue register. The eighth is the asset register and handover log. The ninth is the advance and guarantee tracker if relevant. The 10th is a document and decision index that links each transaction to the supporting file. You do not need to duplicate every number manually. Choose one controlled source for each fact and link summaries to it. Reconcile records regularly, the expense log to claims, claims to invoices, invoices to the bank, asset purchases to the register, and the cash forecast to actual cash. When numbers differ, investigate the difference instead of overriding it. Run the system on a cadence. Weekly, update invoices, cash, approvals, and urgent risks. Monthly, reconcile accounts and cash, update budget and forecast to complete, review level of effort, report management information, and test a transaction trail. Before an event, purchase, major claim, or contract change, check authority, budget, process, and evidence requirements. At closeout, use the dedicated checklist from the last module. Make ownership clear. A system fails when everyone assumes finance is someone else's job. The team leader owns delivery and approvals within their authority. Technical leads provide accurate plans and evidence of work. Finance maintains the control records and raises exceptions. Management makes timely decisions on cash, risk, resourcing, and changes. The implementing agency retains its own role in approvals and project governance. The final discipline is simple. Record facts while they are current. Do not reconstruct them when a claim, audit, or dispute forces you to. A current system protects margin, supports good decisions, and lets you answer the question every project leader will ask: where does the money stand? Your final action is to set up the minimum viable workbook in week 1 of your next assignment, assign an owner for each tab, and put weekly and monthly reviews on the calendar. You are now ready to manage project finance as part of strong delivery. With clear authority, practical controls, honest records, and early action when the numbers warn you.